Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will try to create a blister package. So first, don't worry, I have all the notion, the guidance here. We're gonna create a blister package. First we are gonna create we are gonna choose our product first. It can be anything, whatever you like, and from that product we are gonna convert it to make a blister package image featuring miniature keychains. All right, so first example, we'll just go with Coke. All right, you can choose any products. Okay, like I will go with this one. Let me scroll a little bit. I think I'll go with this one. Okay, then I will copy image. You can save image as well. Copy or save image, that is totally up to you. And you will go to your ChatGPT and you're gonna paste the image here. And I will go back to my Notion and I'm gonna enter this prompt. Don't worry, the prompt, the Notion link will be in the description below, so you guys can follow along. Okay, make sure you should attach only a single photo, guys. So you should attach a single photo of your product and you can enter this prompt and send. ChatGPT will create the image according to the prompt, and let's see how ChatGPT reach our expectations. So this will take time, and once it's done, I'll be back. Okay, so we have got our result here. Honestly, I am liking it. Okay, if you want to describe what do you want to add, what do you want to remove, what do you want to replace, anything, you can type it in this text box here. But I think overall it's fine. So I'm gonna download this, and yeah, I think it's fine though. It's fine. So I'm gonna download the image and I am going to Kling. You can use Kling or you can use Pickverse. We are gonna try both and we are gonna see how we are gonna compare the results. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my Notion again and I'm gonna enter the animation prompt. And let's see how the result is between Kling AI and Pickverse. Let's see. I have given ChatGPT to create this one also. This is also like a blister package, but the Magnum one. See, the result in Pickverse is like this. But let's see how the result is. Okay, the result is a bit like this. This is okay, this is fine. Now let's go to Kling AI. Choose the Magnum also as a blister package product. So let me know which one is your favorite, guys. This will take time. This one, okay, this one is okay, but I think it could be I think it can be better. Let me go create again. It can be better than this one. So I've created the Magnum product and the Coke product for the blister package. Let me know which one is your product, which one is your favorite. Okay, this will take a while. Let's see this one. Okay, so we have seen Pixverse result. I didn't like that much though. This one is okay. This one is also okay. But okay, I'll be back once Killing AI is done generating. Okay, so we have got the results already. Now let's see how the result is. Honestly, I'm not liking the result. It could be better. And I have already clicked regenerate already, so but the result is the same. It could be better, like the Magnum Blister package. It's also like this. Same with the Coke package. It could be better, but it's okay. I'm okay with the result, but it could be like, you know, like the hand could take a keychain out, something like that. So I'm gonna edit, and I'm gonna change little bit of the prompt. Let's see. But overall, I hope you get how this works. And if you want to use this prompt, or if you want to use another prompt, please go ahead. It's all, the magic is all in the prompt. So whatever you need to do, you need to tweak your prompt to get a better results. So this was just an example. I have already added one more prompt below, so let's see how the result is. Anyways, I hope you get the idea how to create a package using AI. So it's very simple. Plus I will put my Notion link down in below in the description, so you guys can get an idea, you can follow along. And that's it, and see you in the next video. Hope this video is valuable to all of you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to drop a yellow heart and a yellow star. And if you find this video helpful and valuable, please give all your support. Plus, if you are following along, I would love to see your work. You can email me, you can text me on Instagram, whenever you want. Feel free, I'm always here to help. Okay, so as soon as this is done, I will add in after this tutorial. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in the next video.